Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automate reminders for new users to enroll in two-factor authentication in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. As security threats grow, enforcing two-factor authentication is vital for protecting user accounts. Manually reminding new employees to set up 2FA can be inefficient and prone to error, leading to potential security risks and account lockouts. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. It streamlines security by automatically sending two-factor authentication enrollment reminders to new Google Workspace users. This automation ensures consistent compliance with security policies, reduces the burden on IT teams, and provides a smoother onboarding experience, eliminating the need for manual follow-ups. Let's dive in and see how it works. The template is designed with 2 rules to simplify and streamline the process of reminding new users to enroll in two-factor authentication. Rule 1. This rule automatically creates a calendar event in the admin's Google Calendar, scheduled 3 days after the new user's account creation. The event title includes the user's primary email, and the reminder time is configurable based on the organization's 2FA enrollment grace period. Rule 2. This rule sends a reminder email to new users who haven't enrolled in 2FA, triggered by the calendar event from Rule 1. The email contains 2FA setup instructions and a link to the enrollment page, with customizable subject and content. Rule 1. Auto-create 2FA reminder calendar event. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Auto Remind New Users of 2FA Enrollment and click on it. In the Auto Remind New Users of 2FA Enrollment page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, a dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Auto, Create 2FA Reminder Calendar event will display. Click Next. In the Convert Datetime screen, in the Time Change Steps field, set the number of days you want to remind users after being created. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Auto Remind New Users of 2FA Enrollment. In the Auto Remind New Users of 2FA Enrollment page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. Click the Email action. In the Subject field, customize the subject line as required. In the email body, customize the reminder email template sent to new users. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions show how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of reminding new users to enroll in two-factor authentication in Google Workspace. For demonstration purposes, set the Time Change Steps field in the Convert Datetime action of Rule 1 to 15 minutes instead of 3 days to see the automation in action sooner. Sign into your Google Admin Console. Create the new user to trigger Rule 1 in xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Rules page. Wait for the notification in the top right corner indicating that Rule 1 has been executed. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and confirms the results of Rule 1. Go to your Google Calendar and verify that the calendar event was successfully created as a result of Rule 1. Wait until the calendar event's time. Once the scheduled calendar event begins, Rule 2 will automatically trigger. After specified time, users who haven't yet enrolled in 2FA will receive a reminder email. Wait for the notification in the top right corner confirming the execution of Rule 2. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and confirms the results of Rule 2. Sign into the new user's Gmail account to confirm that they have received the 2FA enrollment reminder email with necessary details. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.